Hey, so if you run an online business and want to use HubSpot in 2026 to manage leads, automate marketing, and track sales, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your account has access to CRM, marketing, and sales tools. Start by adding your website visitors and leads to the CRM. Go to Contacts, then create contact or use HubSpot forms on your website to automatically capture visitor information. This centralizes all customer data. Next, organize your leads using lists and properties. Segment contacts by behavior, location, or purchase interest. This makes targeted marketing easier and more effective. Yeah, this really helps with engagement. Now, automate your marketing using workflows. Send welcome emails, follow-ups, or promotional messages automatically based on visitor actions or contact properties. This saves time and ensures no lead is left unattended. For sales tracking, go to the Deals tab, add deals for each potential sale, assign stages, expected close dates, and amounts. This helps you see your revenue pipeline clearly and plan your next steps. You can also track customer activity, check email opens, website visits, form submissions, and interaction history to understand engagement and prioritize high-value leads. Use HubSpot dashboards and reports to monitor performance. Track traffic, email performance, sales conversions, and revenue. This helps make data-driven decisions to grow your online business. Finally, integrate HubSpot with tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, or e-commerce platforms to streamline workflows and maintain accurate data. And that's it. By capturing leads, segmenting contacts, automating marketing, managing deals, and analyzing reports, you can use HubSpot to run your online business efficiently and effectively. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.